Hello, this is Kushal, Rajat, Rahul, and Path from IIT Kharagpur discussing robotic motion planning using learned critical sources and local sampling. We consider the problem of finding a feasible path in constrained environments containing narrow passages or bottleneck regions. Recently, considerable work has been done on using learning based approaches that exploit the structure of the environment in order to sample efficiently. Although our work can be based on any smart sampler, we build on top of the sampler used in the existing LEGO framework. This framework uses a CVAE for generating samples in bottleneck regions, as seen in the figure. LEGO tries to share the responsibility of finding the shortest path between the sampler and search. The learner predicts samples in the bottleneck regions, which are then added to a sparse graph. A search algorithm is then used to find the shortest path. The learn sampler fails to place adequate number of samples required to cover the local structure of the bottleneck regions. Thus, it fails to find a feasible path owing to the lack of connectivity between the sparse graph and the LEGO samples. While the LEGO framework tries to share the responsibility between sampler and search, the learn sampler is still overburdened to predict samples that have to cover the local structures in the bottleneck regions. Our proposed work is similar to how humans would approach a planning problem. We first globally identify the doorways present and then locally explore how to navigate through these doorways. We first pre-process the environment by dilating the occupancy grid using a kernel to extract global features. We train the CVAE with this pre-processed environment. The samples generated by the model on the processed environment are brought back into the original environment. We then extract a set of samples called critical sources, one per bottleneck region. We propose two algorithms that use local sampling to exploit these points and cover the local structure of the environment. The first algorithm, local critical source RRT, initially maintains a sparse graph along with the start and goal nodes. It uses the generated critical sources as roots of multiple local RRTs. The trees attempt to connect the unconnected components of the sparse graph in their locality. The second algorithm, critical source RRT, does not make use of the sparse graph. Instead, it grows RRTs from each critical source along with the start and goal points. Once the trees grow out of the bottleneck regions, they cover the free space and emulate the sparse graph. It can be seen that LCS-RRT and CS-RRT outperform the sampling-based baselines set by LEGO as well as RRT Connect. LCS-RRT performs better than CS-RRT in 2 dimensions. However, in 7 dimensions, the size of the sparse graph becomes large to ensure coverage of the high dimensional space, and collision checking is also computationally expensive. CS-RRT performs better here. In the future, we want to work further on these topics. Thank you.